Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Glamour J and it's December 6th, 2017. Guess what? It's raining. It reminds me back when I was in the Midwest. I love days like this. It's cold, it's cool. I mean, I have my red scarf on. I have my wrap on. I love this wrap. It reminds me of somebody very dear to me, my daughter. She had a jacket like this. And, yeah, you know, she knew she was pretty hip. She's still hip, I shouldn't say that. So, on my way to go to the eye doctor, hopefully I will be able to get the contacts that I'm able to wear the bifocals, the difference between the eyes. I've worn them for years, and this last eye doctor that I had seen, who was very old school, I mean old school, and he goes, no, you need reading glasses. And I'm thinking, why change up the recipe when it was going so well? If we have to up, but anyway, I'm not going to complain. I'm just explaining. But anyway, Luna was up at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock this morning. I was so upset. I went to sleep around 3. So I really have not had much sleep this morning. You gotta love the Luna. Gotta love the Luna. And I was really short with her today. I mean, I was very firm. And she even started a little fight with Ava. And I just didn't understand the personality of what was going on. Well, watching the news before me getting ready, there was a pipe explosion up north of us in New Mexico. It's probably the vibration of that. And it was the same time frame. My dogs are very sensitive to that. When there were little earthquakes going on down there in Kansas, down the Wichita and northern part of Oklahoma, the dogs would act up. So, yeah, I apologize to her. She knew. But anyway, everyone's doing good. The babies are fed. They've been outside. They don't like the rain. Oh, the Chihuahuas don't like the rain. So, yeah. I'll be back. Please, it's Wednesday. It's on Wednesday. Yay. I'll let you know what's going on. And I have today the eye appointment. Just joking. And then I have an appointment at 1 o'clock to confirm something. Yeah. The baby's coming. The baby's coming. Our 9 months. No, just joking. Alrighty, we'll see you soon. Love you. Mwah. Love you. Glamour J.